Fixed with your X account cannot change username. Well, if you cannot change your username, your @ handle on X or Twitter, the issue is usually caused by a taken handle, formatting errors, technical bugs, or account restrictions. Open up X and head over to change your account username. So basically, if you head into profile, in the edit, you'll be able to change your name here. But if you want to change your username, you will have to head into settings and privacy. Now what if you're unable to do that? You want to make sure of the length. It must be 4 and 15 characters long. You also keep in mind that it can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. It cannot contain spaces or symbols like periods, dashes, or hyphens. The name must be completely unique. If the done or save button is grayed out, someone else already owns that exact username. You want to try adding numbers or an underscore to make it unique. It can be sometimes a glitch or a bug. Make sure your application is updated to the latest version. Now you can also clear the app cache, or if you are using browser, clear the browser cache as well to fix any glitches. A quick restart can fix the issue as well. And make sure your internet is working fine, and try and not to use the VPN when you are making changes to your account. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.